How to enable or disable Bixby text reader in seconds on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. So here click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After you click on Accessibility, scroll down and click on VN Enhancement. Scroll down and click on scroll down and click on Bixby VN for accessibility. So click on accessibility mode. So scroll down and you will see text reader is here. So if you want to disable text reader, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see text reader is disabled. So if you want to enable text reader, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see text reader is enabled. So you will enable or disable text reader from here. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off, enable or disable Bixby text reader in seconds on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.